In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move rows in Excel. If you've ever wished you could reorder a list or tidy up a sheet without copying and pasting, this quick method is for you. We'll use Excel's drag and drop move, which is fast, accurate, and safe for your data. Start by moving your mouse to the row you want to reposition. You're aiming for the border at either the very top or the very bottom of that row. Glide the mouse slowly along the edge until you're exactly on the border line. You don't need to click yet, just position the pointer carefully. Being on the edge is important because it tells Excel you want to move the entire row as a unit, not edit a single cell or resize anything. Avoid grabbing column boundaries or any small handles. Look for the clean edge that frames the row area. As soon as you're on that border, look for the cursor to change into a four-sided arrow. That icon is Excel's signal that you're in move mode. If you see a thin double arrow, you're on a resize handle, so nudge the mouse a pixel or two. If you see a regular text cursor or a plus sign, you're still over the cell area. Slide back to the top or bottom edge until the four-sided arrow appears. Take a second to confirm the icon before you drag. This tiny check prevents accidental formatting changes. Now press and hold the Shift key, and while holding Shift, click and drag the row to its new spot. Keep Shift held the entire time. As you drag, watch for a bold insertion line to appear between rows. That line shows exactly where Excel will insert the row. You can drag upward or downward. The method works either direction. For longer moves, drag toward the top or bottom of the window to auto-scroll, or use your mouse wheel to scroll while you're still holding the selection. If the sheet scrolls quickly, pause for a moment to let it settle, then continue dragging. When the insertion line is where you want it, release the mouse button first, then release Shift. Using Shift is the key detail here. It inserts the row in place and shifts others out of the way, rather than overwriting anything. If the row lands in the wrong place, don't worry. Press Ctrl+Z or Command+Z to undo and try again. Any formulas referencing moved cells will adjust automatically within the same sheet, helping keep your data intact. With a bit of practice, this becomes second nature, and reordering your worksheet becomes quick, precise, and stress-free.